Hey guys, Thunder E here, and I'm going to show you how to set up your brand new Samsung 2018 QLED in a very fast and simple fashion, yes. And I'm talking about using your smartphone to do that. And this time I'm using the Galaxy S9 Plus, but you can use any Android smartphone or even iOS by just downloading the new SmartThings app. So let's go ahead and set it up. First thing is you need to unbox this thing. Make sure you get a friend. You don't want to break this TV. So you take it out of the box. I think you can lay it on the box itself. It's nice and stable. And the next thing you want to do, of course, is put on the base. The base is simple. It's got this hook connector. Put in the screws, 4 screws, you're good to go. Then you have your one connector box. It's a little different this time, it's a little bigger. It's a box that contains all the ports for your device. So for HDMI, there's optical, they've got, direct ports for your antenna, that kind of stuff in there. But what's cool is that now, this year, one cable goes from the one connector port into your TV, and that's it. Power supply is built into the one connector box itself. So your TV sitting now, it's looking pretty, looks fresh. You want to turn it on, you want to set it up. Now you can use your remote control, but as I mentioned, you're going to be using your smartphone. So you power on the TV, QLED TV. It's got this little video that is gotta watch for a minute, but hey, it is what it is. But once you're done with that, you now prompted to either use your remote or download an app, and that is the SmartThings app. Yes, you're gonna download the SmartThings app if you don't have a Galaxy device. With the Galaxy device, it's built in there, and automatically, if you have SmartThings, especially the S9 or S9 Plus, what you get is that as long as you're on Wi-Fi, it automatically finds the TV and starts the setup process. The first thing it will do is it will sign you into your Samsung account. So if you're signed in your phone, you are good to go. And it goes through the process. You accept, of course, terms of agreements and all that fun stuff, yeah? And the next thing, of course, it does, it finds all the ports that are connected to your TV. So in this case, I don't have any of my devices on. Here's the thing, if your devices are on, like an Xbox or PS4, it will actually say Xbox or PS4, but it finds all those for me. And then the next thing, of course, is for me to select applications. Now, you can select a few applications to load onto your device. So I added Plex in this case. Now, the feature of you signing into those apps off your phone, if you have them signed in, isn't gonna come until summer this year. I wish it came now because it would be nice for me to automatically sign into my Hulu or my Netflix directly in the TV from the smartphone because I have the apps there. But that is coming. Once you do that, the next thing, of course, if you have a antenna cable, it will scan for channels. So in my case, it takes some time to do all the scanning, but it's actually not that long. So I just kind of skip forward to, and boom, that's it, you're done. You're signed in, you're set up, your TV is ready to go. And this TV has a bunch of features. One of the cool things I actually did find out is the fact that you can actually now use Bixby off your phone to turn on and off the TV, which is actually pretty cool. So when you say stuff like, hey Bixby, turn on TV.
Okay, I turned on the TV.
Turn off TV.
You got it. The TV's off.
That actually works, yes. So I like that process, and again, there's a lot to showcase in this TV, a lot of the interface, all that fun stuff, but we're gonna have more videos on the brand new Samsung 2018 QLED. We're gonna have a gaming video on there, and I think now it supports 120 frames per second, so that should be fun for a lot of you gamers out there. Plus, other features, the new software, the audio optimization, a lot to talk about. But stay tuned, guys. So if you have any questions or any comments about the 2018 QLED TV and how to do certain things on there, let me know. I'll try and answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment.